Hello, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I'm working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I'm going to demonstrate you VRML, Virtual Reality Modeling Language, Visibility Sensor using VivIT Studio. Now, visibility sensors will allow you to control the animation based on the visibility of the object. So let us start with this exercise. This is actually an interaction type of sensor, and it is very useful for optimizing your worlds, VRML worlds. Large number of animation can drain your CPU power, and visibility sensors allows you to control the animation based on the visibility of the object. In this particular example, actually I have created the statue of Lord Buddha, and there is one sound associated with it, and when the statue is visible to the user, then only you can hear the sound. When the statue is not visible, means when it is disappearing, in that case you will not hear the sound. So this is the entry and exit actually field which are controlling the sound. Now here I have created a visibility sensor. Visibility sensor is of the size of 2 by 2 by 2, and I have attached one sound having the loop checked. It means that it will play again and again. It will be a auto start sound and spatialize intensity, priority, pitch, maximum and minimum. That is also specified front and back. Okay. Then there will be route. One route will be for the enter time, other route will be for the exit time, and as soon as the statue will be not available on the screen, or it will be hidden, when it is not appearing on the screen, the sound will stop. That will be the exit time. So let us see the output.
Saranam gacchami dharamam
Now
buddham saranam gacchami dharamam saranam.
you can see that the intensity, you can hear the intensity is going down.
Sangham saranam buddham.
As we will move away from the statue, the intensity will go down. As we will move towards the statue, the intensity will increase.
Dharamam saranam buddham saranam.
So thanks for watching this video. In case of any query or clarification, you can call me on my contact number, and free code is available in the description. Check for more videos in the comment section.